Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free tickets to sew your artwork onto like outfits. So basically when you're level 14, 15-ish, this quest will pop up, the Brushstroke Whimsy. You are able to do it before the quest pops up, but it does help if you want like free tickets to sew it on your outfits. Once you're done with your artwork, you're just going to go to the workbench, select the shirt icon here, select which one you created. So I made a shirt. Start sewing, select the design, and then press confirm, and then press confirm again. As you can see, you have free ones. You are able to add more, but they do use up diamonds. So if you want free ones, just make sure you do that quest first. And voila, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Go back to Dorothy and claim your tickets, I think she already gave it to you. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video, oh, I said that already. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye!